dog, cat, and menace. Right there. Hey Jax, what are you doing on the counter when you're supposed to be over in your cage?
What are you doing on my kitchen counter?
It always chews up my wife's pens.
I was trying to read the paper.
Maybe it's trying to read our local paper there, but actually I think what it is, she's in heat, she's nesting, and she wants paper to rip up. So she goes from there to there, and if she sees a pen, she chews up the pen and she rips up our paper. And there's Wallace annoying the cat. Hey Wallace, freaking zoo around here. So what are you up to there, Jax? I wasn't going to read that. I haven't even read that paper yet. Look at you. That's all it wants. Maybe I should put some paper on his cage. Bought it this new cage a couple of months ago, and it doesn't have paper on the bottom. It's got some special cleaning material. Anyway, I'll let it rip that paper apart and make a mess, and then my wife can clean it up.
I think not. Not.
That's my wife's favorite bird. It really does make a mess. The bigger the bird, the bigger the mess. This parrot's not so big, so the mess is usually minimal. What are you doing, Jax? Hey? What are you up to? You're ripping through the paper. I want to read that at some point. Okay, you can keep ripping it if you want. I'll just go buy myself another one. Destructive, aren't you? Very destructive. Huh? Yeah. You want a treat? You want some treats? You go back in your cage and I'll give you some almonds. And then maybe you'll leave me a little bit of paper to read. Okay? Go back. Okay. Good. I'll give you a treat. Okay? Thanks for saving the rest of the paper for me.